Students in Dubai are going to face a very difficult return to school this September because you are going to face a COVID effect part 2. This video is for you because I'm going to give you some tips, some hints, and get you back on track to keep you focused so when you get into school this September and October, you recover, you close the gaps, and you make sure you achieve your full academic potential. The first thing I want to tell you is just that. You got to realize September is going to be challenging. And it's challenging for many people, but you have to realize that you've missed a lot of school. And, coming back to September, you're going to have to catch up, right? And that means just putting in a small bit of extra work, potentially during the week or at the weekends, just to catch up, just to cover the things you missed. Loads of help out there to get you going. First thing you can do is ask ChatGPT, what should I cover? What would I have missed in maths? Or what should I have covered? That'll give you some sense of what you should do. Then you should practice on some notes. We have some lovely GCSE notes or some lovely international A-level notes as well for maths. If you want, we'll put them in the description and start practicing there. A lot of you have already reached out to get some tutoring in Dubai for our international A-levels and international GCSEs. That's a great way to catch up. That's for people who want it. For other people, you got to catch up in your own time. Just keep working. And I think the thing is, right, some people wonder how am I going to learn something from scratch? It is doable. You can learn from scratch. Just go slowly through it. Test yourself through it as you're learning the chapter and you can catch up. I would also make it very clear one thing, because sometimes, when you miss a lot of school like that, you kind of drop your expectations of yourself a small bit, You need to set what you want to get on paper this year. What's your goals to get in this year's mocks, to get in your A-levels ultimately, or to get in your overall GCSEs? What do you want to get? And write it on paper. And then you hold yourself to that standard and it keeps you motivated right through. I think that's really important. And I hope that really helps. It's just getting you prepared now that you can catch up. There will be a gap. It's doable. Some notes in the bio to help you, and subscribe for more. I'm going to help you get through and make it the best year of your academic life this year.